Hi, in this video we're going to demonstrate how to prepare and coat an exterior timber deck using Wattyl Forestwood ProDeck. And remember, before starting make sure you are wearing suitable protective equipment at all times. To get started we firstly need to prepare the timber surface for coating. Firstly, you need to prepare the timber surface for coating. Treat the new timber by scrubbing with Wattyl Forestwood Deck and Timber Prep and rinse thoroughly with fresh water to remove all traces of the cleaner. Ensure the timber surface is clean and dry before coating. To rejuvenate previously oiled or stained timber in sound condition, ensure the existing oil or stain has lost its water repellency by splashing some water onto the surface. If the water beads do not readily absorb into the timber, the new oil will not penetrate. The original oil or stain would need to be removed back to bare timber before recoating. Clean the surface with Wattyl Forestwood Deck Wash to remove any grease, oil or dirt. Rinse thoroughly with fresh water to remove all traces of the cleaner and ensure the timber surface is clean and dry before coating. Ensure that the product is thoroughly stirred with a wide flat stirrer before and regularly during use. Apply the first coat along the entire length of the deck, 2 to 3 boards at a time, working the oil well into the timber with the lamb's wool applicator. Maintain a wet edge by working back into the previously oiled areas while still wet. Lay off along complete lengths of the deck to avoid lap marks to achieve a uniform finish. Do not allow oil to pool in low areas and only apply as much oil as the timber will readily absorb. Wattyl Forestwood water-based decking oil will be touch dry in 15 to 30 minutes and can be recoated after this time. Allow a minimum of 16 hours of drying time before subjecting to light foot traffic. After you have finished, remember to clean up all equipment and water, away from drains and waterways. And there you go, an exterior timber deck with a lustrous high quality finish that complements your outdoor living space. For more information on Wattyl Forestwood ProDeck, visit www.wattyl.co.nz.